How to make a Gemini man fall in love with a Virgo woman. A Gemini man and a Virgo woman share an intriguing connection. His playful curiosity meets her calm intelligence. To win his heart, she must blend warmth with wit, showing both her charm and emotional depth. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 7 simple yet powerful ways to make a Gemini man fall in love. 1. Spark his curiosity. A Gemini man loves an engaging conversation. Talk about interesting topics, share new ideas, and let him see your intelligence. Keep things lively to capture his attention. 2. Stay confident but kind. He admires a woman who knows her worth but remains gentle. Show confidence in what you say and do without being boastful. This balance makes you magnetic to him. 3. Keep things exciting. Geminis hate routine. Add variety to your time together. Surprise him with small adventures, jokes, or unexpected messages. A little spontaneity keeps him intrigued. 4. Respect his freedom. A Gemini values independence. Give him space to breathe and grow. Trust him, and he'll see you as someone who understands his need for freedom. 5. Show love through actions. Virgos express affection through care and thoughtfulness. Cook his favorite meal, send a sweet text, or remember small details about him. These simple acts touch his heart. 6. Share new experiences. Find hobbies or interests you both enjoy, travel, books, or creative ideas. When you explore life together, emotional closeness naturally grows. 7. Mix logic with fun. Your practical side keeps things stable, but don't forget to laugh and be playful. Gemini men love women who can balance smart thinking with joy. A Gemini man and Virgo woman compatibility thrives on balance. Her steady nature grounds his restless energy, while his charm brings light to her world. When Virgo learns to loosen up and Gemini learns to appreciate her loyalty, love between them becomes both exciting and enduring. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.